In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to modify your new website's template within the Easysitebuilder. In order to edit a template, one must first be selected. To do this, you need to be logged into Easysitebuilder. A new user will then be brought to the Select Template page. It is recommended to browse our available categories and templates. The Easysitebuilder has up to 200 website templates available for customers to select from, with new templates added frequently. Browse templates and select one best suited to your website's requirements. Once a template has been selected, your new website template will load within the Easysitebuilder environment. The selected website templates will already include text, which users can edit. To edit pre-existing text, hover over the text that you wish to edit. Click the pencil icon. Within the drop-down menu, select the first option, Edit Text. You will now be able to edit the selected text. Replace with your own required text. New text boxes can also be added to your website. The Easysitebuilder has a wide range of text styles available. To add a new text box, within the second navigation menu, select the first option called Text. Select the style of text that you require. Now edit your text, resize and drag into position. Your website's template will include default images. However, the Easysitebuilder also provides additional images that users can use within our gallery for free. To edit a picture, hover over the picture that you wish to edit. Click the pencil icon. Within the drop-down menu, select Properties. Within the selected picture's properties, to change the picture, on the background, select the pencil icon next to Image. Template Gallery includes the images already used on your website's template. Under Free Gallery, users can access our free images. However, a user may wish to upload their own images. To do this, select Template Gallery. Now, click the Upload New Picture button. Navigate to the image location within your hard drive to upload. Once uploaded, select your required image. Now click the button Select and then click the button Apply. Well done! An image has been modified within your website's template. Now that we have added an image, a video might also be a good idea. Using the Easysitebuilder, a video can also be embedded into your website. To embed a video, first your video must be uploaded to a video sharing platform to save storage, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Youku. Once uploaded, within the Easysitebuilder, select the Media tool, located within the second navigation menu. Now select the video sharing platform used. A video player will now appear within your website. To edit, hover over the video player. Select the pencil icon. Within the drop-down list, click the option called Properties. Within Properties, enter the URL for your video and select the timestamp you wish your video to start playing at if required. Now resize and drag your video player into position. Well done! You have just embedded a video into your website. Not only can a video be embedded, but an MP3 audio file can also be using the Easysitebuilder. To embed your MP3 audio file, select the Media tool. Now, click the last option called MP3 Player. A MP3 player will now appear within your website. To edit, hover over the MP3 player. Click the pencil icon. Within the drop-down list, select the option called Properties. Under MP3 files, click the pencil icon and click the button Upload New Media. Navigate to the MP3 file location within your hard drive to upload. Click on the uploaded audio file and press Select. Now press Apply. Resize the audio player and drag into position. Nice one! An MP3 audio player has now been added to your website using the Easysitebuilder. Now that your home page has been modified, you may require to update your other web pages. To change web pages within Easysitebuilder, navigate to the right-hand corner. This section will say which page you are currently working on, and it should say Home. Click the drop-down icon. Here you can view all created web pages. Click one to change pages. Make sure that you have saved your current progress before changing web pages. Alternatively, users can use the built-in navigation menu in order to change web pages. Simply click the page that you require. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.